Get back to the object.
Let's get back to the object challenges, but there's a rise of thunderstorms. Enjoy.
I can't wait to see a lot of people, right? Yeah, I know. I can't wait too. Alright, you stay right here. I'll be back. Okay. Man, my mother hasn't been here. Look out! What just happened?
Where am I?
It's a restaurant. Bro. No more ka-chow. We got a dumb one. Are you serious? You caused the whole staring scene. Sorry. Alright, you should be good to go. Alright, so this time I'm the under host. Who's the real host? I am. Oh boy, what was that?
Alright, so for this challenge, you need to make 5 jumps on the lightning box that I placed. And the next season is picking up Thor's hammer, which is the hardest thing to pick up because he can only pick it up. Now go!
Alright, GCE goes first. Yes! Out of my way, get barfing early. Elimination space. Wait, y'all, didn't mean to. Sorry, but it's too late. Wait, before you go, prove to me that you can solve a Rubik's Cube without touching it. Oh, that's easy. Wait, how's that possible? Next up is square and circle. There is no 9-month child allowed. What did I tell you about all ages to the object challenges? All ages are allowed? Well, if you paid attention to listen to me, you will know. Why not just all go together? Wait, why are we here? Yeah, why? If one of you gets 5 votes, you will be eliminated.